Hello and welcome, Demon Machine here. We have a 2015 Honda CR-V 2.4, and we have to do the AC compressor because it got damaged in an accident. Anyway, the manual says to take out the alternator and the tensioner and then pull it up to the top. I got an easier way. Pull out the cat. 3 bolts at the bottom, 3 bolts at the top with the heat shield. Take out the O2 sensor, get the shield off, then it's 4 bolts and the whole thing lifts right out. And then 4 bolts for the compressor, and you have a compressor. Ta-da! This includes everything, including the under tray coming off. It just took 12s and 14s, and so now we're gonna put in a new compressor. But that's probably the easiest thing, because I was worried. They said to come out through the top, but water pump's in the way, man. With this thing here, I didn't see how it was all gonna fit out of there. So get this out. Don't have to touch the alternator. Don't have to mess with the battery. Don't have to do any of that. Just boom. This, of course, means that you are able to get the exhaust off. So if it's super rusty, I don't know, maybe reconsider, but it works out pretty well. I was tentative when I first started it, but I just wanted to let you know. So thanks for watching.